Welcome everybody to Merchant Token, the next project update. Today is July the 24th and I'm so excited because I just want to catch up with you about everything that has been going on. And today's video is going to be basically just kind of like a resume, a concentration of where are we at, where are we going. I will also be sharing the details on how to lock your tokens to get the NFTs and also how to request the withdrawals of your referrals if you want to do that. So before we jump into that, I just want to clarify that today's video is going to be extremely short and quick so that everybody will want to see it and will be able to catch up and will be able to learn how to withdraw your tokens or lock them for the NFTs. So without further ado, let's just jump straight away into that. So here what we can see is what is MTO, how the ecosystem will work, and I will of course explain you where are we at and where are we going. Just to let you know that right now there are 7 stages for the merchant token roadmap. We are at stage number 2 and we are expecting to come up with the next stage this very year, which will be the early alpha. So we are still, I would say, at the MVP stage at the moment. However, on the development side, we are way more advanced than that. So how is the ecosystem gonna be work around? Basically, we will have an MEO blockchain, which is a merchant token blockchain, which is our own blockchain, and we will be posting some more information on Twitter about why is it important. We're actually developing an article to explain a bit deeper why is it important to have our own blockchain rather than working on the Ethereum blockchain like right now. And if you want to me to deep dive into that information, just let me know in the comments below and I will actually make a video specifically for that. So once we will build our own blockchain, which will basically allow smart contracts, so not only all the transactions that will pass through the blockchain, but we will also allow smart contracts that will allow people or community members or other developers to develop projects within our own ecosystem. These projects will be able to use our own wallet, our own protocol as well. So that is extremely important that we build a MEO, because it's with those gas fees that we are planning to get the project going, indefinitely. Basically, that's what it will sustain the project itself. Of course, there will be the possibilities for you to also run nodes and kind of like participate in the project and earn MEOs at that point, or MTOs as well, by doing that. So there will be a lot of opportunities once the blockchain is launched. Another 2 major pieces basically of the ecosystem is the main one is the protocol, which is basically what will allow you to make purchases and have the consumer protection, which is basically what this project is about. Bring consumer protection to the blockchain. So again, the consumer protection will be directly built around the blockchain, so that you won't be able to process or have consumer protection unless you use our own blockchain. And that basically will allow people to do decentralized payments while still using being protected. You will still, however, be able to use external wallets if you want, or directly the protocol directly with the merchant. So you might not need even a wallet to process the payments directly. However, we are also building our own wallet, and you can basically, by using our own wallet, you will have the availability to have a tailored ecosystem around your needs. So we will have, for instance, the best way to experience the ecosystem will be to use, of course, our own wallet. But again, it will be able to work directly with an external wallet as well. So as you can see here, you have the blockchain, which is basically the bed for everything. And then you have the different protocols or different parts of the ecosystem that work either separate or together as well. So that's really important. Where are we at? So with the protocol, we have completed the whole protocol already. It is up and running, and we have worked already on the SDK for the web and mobile desktop as well, and the wallet type, custodial and non-custodial wallets. We have completed as well the customer wallet, which includes the general functionalities, and I will this is a wallet, basically the merchant wallet, and I will show you a quick video about it. I'm not gonna let it play all together, but if you wanna see the video, just join us on the Telegram, on the official Telegram, which the links are below, and you will see on the pinned messages the full video, and you can actually watch it all yourself. So basically you will be able to, on the wallet, you are already able to do, I don't know, send and receive tokens, token swapping, purchase Ethereum with fiat currency, as well as make purchases working after inputting the price himself. So that's really, really interesting because the wallet is basically nearly done. So what's coming and what are we actually currently working on? We are building the merchant app or the desktop version, which is basically what will manage all the transactions and specific activities like disputes or withdrawal. We are also building the agent and admin portal. It does work right now. We are basically building the interface basically for that, and also we are building on setting up our own blockchain, which is the MTO blockchain. However, we will be launching the alpha, which will not include the blockchain this year. And it will basically be the wallet and the protocol working on the Ethereum blockchain. So that's where we are at. Just to give you a quick preview of what the merchant wallet will look like. I'm just gonna kind of like skip that. Bear in mind that this is just a very, very early stages of the interface. So this is not how it will look like, but you can actually see where are we at and how are we doing as well. So I'm just going to be moving around so you can actually see that you can create your own wallet, or you can import your own wallet that you're already using. You can buy Ethereum, you can update, like have your secret phrase, or basically create a new one. As I say here, you have your own address that you can actually send yourselves tokens. You will be able to share your QR code as well to receive payments. These are basically the setups that you have, the kind of networks that are currently working. As you can see here, it is currently working on the Ethereum network. So it is basically up and running as well. All the setups that you have here, the privacy teams, these are basically the developer side that you can actually see all the details of the developers. The currency that you want to set it up, that's not going to change the amount of money that you have in there. It's just going to tell you what will be displayed as. Again, you can basically share this information. You can share your wallet with your contacts, and you can also track basically all the cryptocurrencies in here, as you can see here, and you can track, and as I say, you can buy and check. So that's really, really, really interesting. There is also the dark version as well. So you can see here that the wallet itself is in a very, very advanced position at the moment. So that's basically where we are at, where are we going, and what's coming next. Next, I want to show you how can you, first of all, block your tokens if you want to earn the NFT. So this is, remember that right now it is just available for those who have tokens within their launchpad, basically. If you own referrals, you will be able to lock them or withdraw them, depending on what you want to do. This feature will become available later on as well, and it will become available for everybody once we go a bit more advanced into the NFT. In the next few weeks, I will bring you more updates on where we are at with the NFTs and all that basically information. But I do hope to have that ready very early next year to be able to release the NFTs and basically develop it to everybody. But just very important, I want to say as well, this is a project that I want the community community itself to be involved on. So I will definitely be asking your information, inputs, and so much more. So that's something basically that I'm doing with the community as well. So let's just jump straight away into the Launchpad. So first of all, you have here the website. To go into the Launchpad, you just need to click on sign up for updates. It will ask you directly to sign up. You can go down and click sign in, and basically just put your username and password, the 2FA code, and you will be able to log in. So this is basically the Launchpad. I'm not going to be scrolling around just because I want to focus on the reward program, which is this one here. As you can see here, the first thing that you will see is that you are not participating in this if you have not yet locked your tokens. As you can see here, it will actually give you all the information about what is coming, what is the NFT cards, and on this link I will be updating it constantly to bring you all the updated information about the NFT project. So if you want to know, just go in there and it will tell you basically where are we at and what are we doing. So you can click on, it is very simple. If you have tokens on the referrals, just click on join the reward program. Bear in mind that you will not be able to change this later on. And you have three options. Either you lock them for 1 year, for 2 years, or for 3 years. Of course, the longer you lock them for, the better, the rarer the NFT you will actually get. Also remember that by getting the more rare you get the NFT, you will also get more benefits once the ecosystem is launched, as we are planning to have some sort of tiers depending on kind of like the usage of the ecosystem. So for instance, once the whole blockchain is launched, there will be a staking mechanism as well. So whoever has the highest tier will get basically the better rewards by staking their tokens. You will also get some sort of discounts on the gas fees and these kind of things. So this is something really nice that we're trying to do. Again, we don't really have that information because it's way far ahead in the future, that we don't want to commit to something that we might not be able to do completely. But definitely this is something that we're looking to do, and we're going to build a really good tier system that is going to benefit you and the community itself. So I personally speaking will lock them for 3 years because I do believe in the project and I don't want to spend my tokens right now. And as well, once the other option of sending tokens will be available, I will lock them as well. So just click on join the program and it will basically update and say this. Sorry, I have to log in again because I have been logged out for a long time. And you can see here it's participating, and the tokens locked until the 24th of July 2025. So that's basically pretty much it. Very simple and straightforward. Regarding the referrals, if you want to withdraw them instead, there will be a link in the description that you can actually follow the steps, and is basically on the docs merchanttoken.org, and you can actually find it here, referral withdrawals details, and you have here all the details for that. So basically you can have a read into everything here, but what you need to know to actually request those withdrawals, those referrals to be withdrawal, is these steps here. So you need to specifically send the gas fee. Basically, you're going to be paying for your own gas fee, which we have set a fixed amount because the gas fees keep going up and down. So we decided to go for a fixed amount, which is going to be 0.02 Ethereums. The wallet address is this one here that you have to send it to, but extremely important is that you send them from the address that you have set up as a withdrawal address. So you have to make sure that you send your tokens from this token address. If you don't send it from here, then it is not going to be counted. If you send a different amount at 0.02, you have to send it again. So really be careful with that as well. If you are having problems by signing into your Launchpad or with the 2FA, for instance, send an email to support and you will be able to reset it as well. As I say here, if you have several accounts as well, so make sure that you send several different transactions. That's really important because every account will be valid for one transaction. So again, if you have different accounts with the same withdrawal wallet, just you have to send different times. And the first one that will be received, it will be the first one that will go out as well. The batches, the referrals will be sent back to you in batches, and basically all the tokens that are requested during July until the 31st of July, you will basically be received on the 30th of August. Those who will be requested during August will be received on the last day of September, and those who will be requested on September will be received on the last day of October. Bear in mind that the tokens, even though they will be sent in batches, they will all be sent all together. So if you are requesting if you have a lot of tokens and you're requesting them all, you will all receive them all in one go once a transaction is done. Bear in mind that if the gas fee were to be above the 0.02 Ethereums, there will be basically, it will be postponed of 1 day and so on, so forth, until the gas fee goes below that. We hope that it will not come to that. That's the reason why we have set up this fixed gas fee, but we need to make sure that you guys are aware of that. Also, we are aware that there might be some gas fees left. There will be at the end, basically in November, once all the tokens have been withdrawn and sent to you, we will definitely come up with an idea or even get the community involved to return basically the extra gas fees that are there back to the community, because of course we are not looking to hold into those tokens there. So just a quick recap, basically is what the ecosystem is, and what's really important about merchant token is this part here, which is something that sometimes people don't actually understand. Remember that everything that we're doing here, it is completely decentralized, and as of now, I don't know there is any other project that can actually do that, that what we're doing, or are even working into doing what we're doing, to have this basically completely full ecosystem that will work in between consumers and merchants as well. Something also really important that I want to point out is the fact that our head company, which is actually building the project, it is Hips, which is a very it's a great company that has a lot of experience in the merchant industry, in the finance industry, and has a lot of clients, which are on its own manage a ton of merchants. That doesn't mean that they are already automatically going to be enrolled into this, but definitely we will be able to tap into that and get them to enroll, because remember, Hips is basically the biggest token holder of merchant token, so it is on their own interest to make sure that the project succeeds. So I just wanted to clarify that. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me today on this live stream and this project update. I hope that you find it interesting, and if you have any questions, at the bottom in the description you will find again the official Telegram, and you can join us there, and I will be happy to answer all your questions. Have a good day. Bye bye.